Welcome to this tutorial on adding data points to your indicators. Think of data points as the building blocks of accurate indicator tracking, essential for assessing your project's impact. Data points can be divided into three key types: baseline, target, and actual. The baseline represents your starting point, the target is your desired goal, and actual values provide real-time measurements. Now let's get practical. Navigate to the Data Points and Disaggregation tab in your indicator form and select to add a data point. Choose the data point type. You can add data points for baseline, actual, or target values. Let's start with adding an actual data point. Define data point attributes. Make sure they align with your indicator's data format. If your indicator speaks the language of numbers, your data point attributes should too. Decide whether your data point is a must-have. If it's required, your Indicator Performance Tracking Table (IPTT) won't save without values for all reporting periods. Determine if the data point should be read-only. A read-only data point becomes an inactive field in the IPTT, preventing manual data entry. This feature is handy when data points are auto-calculated or imported. Consider excluding data points from aggregation rules, especially if you wish to keep text-type data points out of the aggregation process. This ensures a clean and relevant display. You can add multiple data points at the same time. For example, you can add a comment-type data point to provide extra details about your actual data. Follow the same steps to add a target data point. After adding your data point, save the indicator form and preview the IPTT to see how data points are reflected. You can also add a baseline data point and rationale for target values, further enhancing your indicator's accuracy. Now your data points are ready to contribute to accurate indicator tracking. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on how to further fine-tune your indicator with disaggregation.